Hello there, it's Gary from Engage Racing. We're just going to talk you through the little YZ65 barrel that we optimise. So we'll just have a look at this for you so you can understand some of the work that we do. If I take your attention to these areas here, all these chamfered edges here have been rolled over and polished for optimum flow. So there's a lot of work gone into these inlets. At the back, yeah, you can see even the dividers have been rolled over and polished on both sides. Yeah. So if we take you to the exhaust port, down there for you so you can see the standard of the exhaust port. Again, the entrance has been rolled over so there's no interruptions for flow. We'll turn that over for you so you can see the other side. If I can get this in there for you. Got to understand this is a 9-stage polish, hours of work, done the old-fashioned way, way back when 2 strokes were amazing. Okay, I'll just show you on a bigger barrel the work on the chamfers that you can see. So each chamfer has been rolled over down here and then polished. So you can see the shine on them, especially the bigger parts. Yeah, you see the polish on those. Each one of those parts have been rolled over and polished on your YZ65 barrel. Okay, I hope that helps. If you need any information, give us a call.